So what I've got here is the JBL Go 3 wireless Bluetooth speaker. Really nice speaker. We've been using this for about a month now. Really happy with it. Great sound. It's got a little bit of bass going. Much better sounding than my old Bluetooth speaker that I have. So this one happens to be the teal color. It's kind of a fabric here. It's quite hard underneath there, but you can get them in all sorts of different colors, from black, blue, red, again the teal, there's camo, all sorts of different colors. And the cool thing about these is they have the IP67 rating, so that makes them waterproof and dustproof. Great for taking to the beach. You get sand on here, just dust it off, or if it gets splashed water on it, you are good to go. You're not going to wreck your speaker. So the unit itself, on the front here, it says JBL. It's kind of rubberized on there. On the top, you've got a plus and minus for volume, a play button, which you can also use to pause it. On the one side here, you've got kind of a rope lanyard thing here that you could use a clip to clip onto your backpack, as well as there is a USB-C connection in there. So it did come with a USB-C cable. This is about a foot long. You would just plug that in there to charge it. Super convenient that way. Also in the box, there's a whole bunch of paperwork there for how to use it, kind of user guide in there as well. Now on the bottom here, it's rubberized, and back here as well. So if it's on the table, it's not going to slide around too much. You can put it flat or on its side. And then the other side here, you'll see there's the power button, the Bluetooth button, and it's got a little Go 3 logo there. Not too heavy. Really happy with it so far. Now it's got 4.2 watts in it, and it gives you about 5 hours of playback time. So really convenient that way. Let me go ahead and turn it on here. Makes a little noise when it's turned on. And I'll play some audio here from one of my videos. Put the SIM card in your phone. Well, today we're going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's dive into it. And I can just pause it again with the play button there, adjust the volume up and down, hit play if I want to keep going. So first off, I'm going to go ahead and power off my phone. And it's really that simple to use. Really nice Bluetooth speaker, nice and compact, really happy with it. Check these out if you're looking for a small, compact, lightweight, easy to use Bluetooth speaker. And again, this is the JBL Go 3.